Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn what is Forex trading. Forex trading is short for foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling currencies on a global market. For example, you trade euro and USD. If you think the euro will rise compared to the USD dollar, you buy. If you think it will fall, you sell. So, why do people trade Forex? To profit from the currency price fluctuations used by banks, businesses, investors, and everyday traders. It's the largest financial market in the world, over $6 trillion traded daily. How does Forex trading work? Currencies are traded in pairs like GBP USD or USD GPY, etc. You buy one currency while selling another. Prices move based on economic news, interest rates, market sentiments, and political stability. So, if you want to know when you can trade on Forex, Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, thanks to the global trading sessions across Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. To start Forex trading, you need a Forex broker, a trading platform like MetaTrader 4, 5, or mobile apps, a demo account to practice, and most importantly, knowledge and strategy. So Forex trading is about predicting whether a currency will go up or down in value and trading it for profit. It offers massive opportunities but also carries risks, so learn first, then trade smart. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.